Hello, welcome to Collective Love Reading. Ito yung reading natin for collectives. Wala tayong specific zodiac sign. Ang importante makarelate ka sa reading na ito. Kung hindi, okay lang, may mga next reading pa tayo. So this is for collectives. We draw here the Knight of Cups and the Wheel of Fortune. Bottom of the deck is the Sun. I can see positive change for you. Nakita tayo ng mga offer na paparating sa'yo, and maganda to kasi this will, change your life, no? So, kung may mga pinagdadaanan ka ngayon, i-manifest mo to. This is really nice. You know, yeah, Three of Pentacles. This is growth. So, nakita tayo ng growth para sa'yo. May mga bagay kang marireach na hindi makakalain na marireach mo, makukuha mo. Just, continue on maintaining this positive mindset. Kasi mag-workout talaga ito para sa'yo. So, next, who is this person that you're dealing with pagdating sa love? Queen of Cups and Queen of Pentacles energy. Page of Wands. Lumalabas ito as two people kind of energy. So, pwedeng you could be dealing with two people sa buhay mo or paparating sa buhay mo kasi medyo future yung energy na kukuha natin dito. Pwedeng makipag-connect, communicate ito through messages. And tell me more. The Eight of Swords is here, the Empress. I feel like you're choosing yourself. Pwedeng you are currently stuck sa isang situation or maybe relationship. But with the Empress, I can see you love yourself. Kaya mas pinipili mo is yung sarili mo. And regarding this two person, yeah, I can see a lot of communication coming. Nakita tayo dito with the Nine of Pentacles. One of this person nakakonect or makakakonect mo is definitely someone na may masasabi sa buhay. Could be someone who is very successful. And the Judgment, meron siyang mga bagay na aaminin or sasabihin sa'yo. And I feel like you know your value. So, nasa yan kung ano yung decision mo regarding these people na makakakonect mo. Kung nakikita natin na yung potential na parang pahalagaan mo yung sarili mo dito. And the Chariot is here at the bottom of the deck. I can see possible na pagta-travel for you. Para makapag-reconcile with friends or people in the past. And you do have here the Temperance and the Queen of Swords. The Death card, the Hanged Man, and the Nine of Swords. Well, nakakita tayo dito ng mga bagay or taong ika-cut off mo with the Temperance. I feel like Matagal mo nang hinintay to, yung pag-cut off or pagtapos dito sa mga taong to. The Nine of Swords, I can see potential katapusan ng problema. Like, after you cut off itong mga taong ito sa buhay mo, kasunod na dito yung pagtatapos ng problema sa buhay mo. Dahil maaaring ang nagdudulot ng problema sa'yo ay sila. The Hangman is here. No more waiting. Kung ano man yung mga bagay na minamanifest mo sa buhay mo, sabi ko nga, pwedeng maging positive ito para sa'yo in the future. Like, no more waiting. Kung ano man yung mga inaantay mo, pwedeng dumating din ito sa'yo. Four of Cups, Six of Pentacles, the Seven of Pentacles, and the Tower. Walang maganda kasi dito, especially at the bottom of the deck is the Hermit. Marami ka natutunan na lesson sa buhay mo. And part of this lesson is that in the future, alam mo na kung paano i-handle yung finances mo. Maybe with the Six of Pentacles, natutunan mong i-balance. Kasi ng iba sa inyo pwedeng ka talaga overspender, ganon. Mahilig kang bumili ng hindi mo na nakokontrol yung sarili mo. Pero with the Four of Cups, I can see a lot of control from you. Parang nilalagay mo sa realidad na yung buhay mo, yung pag-iisip mo pagdating sa pera, alam mo na kung, I don't know, it's more on more on finances ang focus mo dito. At saka marami kang natutunan dito. Nakikita natin with the Tower, you are ending kung ano man yung mga habits mo in the past regarding finances. Na nagiging dahilan kung bakit mas lalo ka pang nagiging successful in the future. With the Seven of Pentacles, mas magiging matalino ka with regards to your money, with regards to your finances. Nasabi ko nga nagiging positive ang outcome nito para sa'yo. So, meron tayong nakikita ng pagtatapos na problema sa buhay mo na ang magiging, kasi marami ka natutunan sa buhay mo, na magiging dahilan for you na kung bakit ma-achieve mo itong success na ito, yun ay dahil natuto ka na at inia-apply mo na yung mga natutunan mo sa buhay mo. Regarding the two people na nakuha natin kanina pagdating sa love, someone is going to spoil you, definitely. One of them i-spoil ka, ibibigay lahat ng bagay na gusto mo. No? And, yeah. Ang gusto kasi nitong person nito is victory para sa'yo. This person wants to win your heart, kaya gagawin niya yun. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.